Thank you for selecting Dundas Jafine's Shatterproof Universal Air Deflector. The purpose of this short video is to walk through the various steps necessary to install this product for optimum performance. The expected installation time should be just a few moments, and there are no tools required, as the built-in under-register installation tabs are compatible with wood, plastic, or metal registers, and require no fasteners to secure the air deflector in place. Start by removing the register from the floor, the wall, or ceiling. Slide the deflector apart and place it over the register, ensuring the installation tabs are wider than the register. Slide the deflector back together, ensuring the installation tabs are placed under each side of the register. Place the register with the attached air deflector back into the floor, wall, or ceiling. For wall and ceiling application, securing the register with screws may be required. Now that you've installed your new Shatterproof Universal Air Deflector, you're ready to enjoy the many benefits this Dundas Jafine product has to offer. For more information about this product or other Dundas Jafine products, please visit our website at dundasjafine.com.